Hey there, welcome to Trusted Web eServices. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to find exit pages in Google Analytics 4 using the Exploration Report feature. Let's dive in. Start by clicking on the Explore tab in the left sidebar of the Google Analytics 4 interface. Then choose a blank exploration to build your custom report. Next, we'll add a dimension to the report. Click the plus icon in the Dimensions section. Search for a page path and screen name in the dimension list. Check the box next to it and click Confirm. Now let's add metrics. Click the plus icon in the Metrics section, search for Views, and check the box next to it. Now search for Exit, check the box and click Confirm. Double-click on the page path and screen name dimension to add it to the Rouse section. This will display the list of pages on your site. Next, double-click on the Views and Exits metrics to add them to the Values section. This will populate your report with the relevant data. And that's it. You'll now see a table displaying your pages, the number of times they were viewed, and the number of exits for each page. For clearer insights, you can sort the data by the exit metric. This will show you the top pages where users are leaving your site. And there you have it, your custom exit pages report in GA4. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Trusted Web eServices for more actionable tutorials.